Healthy Altitudes to you. Hello, I'm Gary Giannetti, and I'm coming to you from Healthy Altitudes, Colorado. And this series of videos is going to help you find ways to eat well for your life. We're really lucky that Alex is here with us, and she's a registered dietitian who can help you find ways to eat well for your life.
Yeah, so just like Gary said, my name is Alex Burgess. I'm a registered dietitian and I love food. I grew up watching the Food Network. I love to cook. And growing up, I used to think that eating healthy wasn't always the best, didn't taste very good, a lot of bland food. But then through my education and just trying some new recipes on my own, I found that cooking healthy can taste really good and still be nourishing for your body. So I'm really excited to show you guys some recipes, give you a couple tips, and also show you how eating well can be great for your life.